I have been very kindly gifted the E45 Hydrating Serum that I am going to apply for my face. It's for dry and sensitive skin. Now I have very dry skin and I've just actually cleansed it this morning. Skin. So taking the serum out. Face serum. Can you see that clear liquid there? So I'm going to give myself one pump. Just a little bit there. Serum is an extremely concentrated moisturizing formula, so the less, the more effective really. You don't have to slather too much on. And immediately I can feel that it has blended well into my skin, absorbed really well. It's non-greasy, so would make like a perfect foundation for any makeup if you had to put on it. But I would normally go in first with the moisturizer before I then put anything else like a concealer or foundation. Definitely one to use for gentle hydration to your skin, especially if it's sensitive and it's dry. Would recommend this. Thank you for watching.